Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in Army Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexis and Company. So guys, from this video, we are going to discuss the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar card. In September 2018, a very historic judgment of Supreme Court was delivered on in the validity of the Aadhaar card. In a 4:1 judgment, five-member Constitution Bench of Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar targeted delivery of a financial and other subsidies, benefits or services Act 2016. So we are going to discuss the Supreme Court judgment on this case, on the Aadhaar case, that it is constitutionally valid or not, it infringes the right to privacy or not. The Supreme Court judgment, the Aadhaar making India a surveillance state. The court has upheld that the architecture of Aadhaar as well as the provision of the Aadhaar Act not extend to create a surveillance state. During the enrollment process, minimal biometric data in the form of the iris and fingerprint are collected. The Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) does not collect the purpose, location, or detail of the transaction. Thus, the purpose of the transaction is not stored. The information collected remains in silos. The information is not accessible in combined form. The requesting agency like a bank and the income tax department etc. is providing an answer only in yes or no about the authentic authentication of the person concerned. However, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that from the verification log, it was possible to locate the place of transaction carried out by an individual over the past 5 years. The Supreme Court struck down the Regulation 27, which provide for achieving transaction data for 5 years. The Supreme Court has said that the authentication log should be deleted after 6 months. Aadhaar card and privacy. On this matter, the court ruled that the Aadhaar Act passed the test laid down in the privacy judgment to determine the uh, reasonableness of invasion of privacy. It held that the Aadhaar scheme is backed by the status, the Aadhaar Act. It is also serve legitimate state aim to ensure that a social benefit of scheme reach to the uh, deserving community. The court noted that the failure to establish the identity of an individual has proved to be a major hindrance for the successful implementation of those programs, as it was become a difficult to ensure that the subsidies, benefits, and services reach to intend the beneficiaries in the absence of the system to authenticate the identity of the beneficiary. And it also noted while the challenge to the Aadhaar card is Aadhaar Act is on the basis of the dignity as a fact to right to privacy under the Article 21, the rationale behind the Section 7 of Aadhaar Act, which makes Aadhaar mandatory for the government benefits. It is to ensure the right to life of marginalized are protected by ensuring that they get a benefit of social welfare schemes. Majority judgment held that the Aadhaar Act has struck the fair balance between the right to privacy of the individual with the right to life of the same individual as a beneficiary of government benefits. They make a balance between the right to privacy and right to life of the same individual as a beneficiary of the government benefits. However, the judge held that by the collecting identity information, the Aadhaar program treats every citizen as a potential criminal without even requiring the state to draw a reasonable belief that a citizen might to be perpetrating a crime or an identity fraud. Justice Chandrachud also held that the legitimate aim of the state can also be fulfilled by adopting less measures as ops by the mandatory enforcement of the Aadhaar scheme as the sole basis of the identification as the money bill. The court held the Lok Sabha Speaker decision to recognize the Aadhaar Act as a money bill, while admitting the Rajya Sabha plays a significant role in our bicameral system of a parliament, and Article 10, which provide for a money bill, have interpreted it strictly. The court that the Aadhaar Act fell within the boundaries of the Article 110. The court held the reasoning that the main objective of the Aadhaar is extend the benefits in the nature of aid, grant, subsidy, or marginalized section of the minority people of the society, and the support of the Consolidated Fund of India. However, the minority judgment, Justice Chandrachud said that the passing of a bill as a money bill, when it does not qualify for it, has demand the delicate balance of the bicameralism, which are part of the basic structure of the constitution. Next is the Aadhaar for the services, which we will discuss in the next video, in the part 2 video of the validity of the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar. So the next part of this topic we are going to discuss in our next part 2 video. A very thank you to all to watching this video.